Okay, what about the stoppage time penalty for the foul on Kevin De Bruyne? Are you happy there was enough contact in this one?
Referee has a good position, he gives it. That's the thing, it's given on field. He's confident. Does he get the ball? No. Does he catch his ankle? Yes. I think clumsy, but the referee gives it. And I think that's the key thing here. It's an on-field decision, it's not thrown to VAR.
It looks very similar to Forest's first penalty appeal.
How are you making the differentiation? I can't even say it.
How you differentiate?
How you differentiating between the two? Because I'm looking at that thinking they're exactly the same incidents. I think the theatrics of De Bruyne when he goes down, how your legs suddenly go from a tap on the ankle to being like flung in the air, and I'm looking at it thinking, no. I mean, I've heard so many people saying it's not a pen, and then I've heard people saying it is a pen, there's contact on the ankle. But for me, them two incidents are exactly the same. And you've said...
Carry on.
I know, I thought you were going to...
No, I'm just going to relax and take it easy.
No, but I'm just wondering what you're seeing differently between the two incidents, because if we were to play them top and bottom and watch both of them, think they're exactly
can we see both of them together? I'm wondering whether we can see the... So this is the De Bruyne one.
Yeah, and what I said about this, the referee gives it. That's the difference. The referee gives it. He's there.
But the Henderson one, he didn't. He had to go over to the monitor as well, didn't he? So okay, so that's that one that was given a little tap just there, and then that, and then this is the one. This is the Henderson one. A little tap there, not that one. It was the first Forest one that was given. The Dennis one that wasn't given, which was pretty similar as well. That was a little tap, and that one was given. But this one here, Stephen, Sue, there is no difference, is there?
No, there isn't at all. And the De Bruyne one is very minimal contact. And I think Kevin De Bruyne is very clever in terms of he feels the contact and he goes down. You see here, it's the same sort of instance when you look at them together.
Identical.
So, yeah, and that's the frustration, I think, isn't it? The inconsistencies of, if you're a Forest fan and you're seeing that, you're thinking, well, how on earth have we not got a penalty when Manchester City got a penalty for a very similar incident? So
let's go back to you. The De Bruyne one, was that a penalty?
I said the referee thought it was a penalty, didn't it?
Do you, Dermot?
The difference is, as I said last week, it's the referee, isn't it? The referees have slightly different tolerance levels. And I don't think the Forest one's a penalty. That one, I think, does he make contact with the ball? No. Does he make contact with De Bruyne? Is it enough to put him down? The referee decides it is. And I think that's the difference. The referee made that judgment.
OK, now Erling Haaland thought he'd scored after coming on, but disallowed for offside by VAR on their check. Happy with this one?
Well, this is where the VAR rules, isn't it? Because the assistant would never spot this in real time. I didn't think it was offside. Then I saw the replay and go, oh, this is really, really close. And you see how close it is. You can understand with the naked eye that's not going to be picked up.
Yeah. So a tick for VAR.
An unfortunate tick because we want to see goals scored, but that's what it's there for.
It shows, yeah.